Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up a custom bot for MEE6. I'm going to show you how to create a custom bot and then link it in the MEE6 dashboard so that it takes over all MEE6 functionality. Do note that you need MEE6 Premium with the Bot Personaliser option to be able to do this. The first thing to do is to go to the Discord developer portal, where the custom bot will be created. You will need to log in with your Discord account. On the Applications page, click on the New Application button. In the pop-up window, give your application a name, agree to the terms and policy, then click Create. The General Information screen lets you change your application name if you need to. You can add some information in the description box, which will appear in the Profile section of your custom bot. You can also upload a profile picture for your bot. Next, click on the bot link on the left side, which will take you to the bot screen. In the Build a Bot section, enable all three privilege gateway intents. Make sure that Requires OAuth 2 Code Grant is disabled. All other parts of this page can be left as they are for now. Save the changes. Now you need to get your custom bot token so you can use it in the MEE6 dashboard. Click on the Reset Token button, then say yes to the warning message that appears. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Discord account, you will need to enter your 2FA code in the pop-up that appears. If you do have two-factor authentication enabled on your Discord account and this pop-up doesn't appear, disable any VPNs, ad blockers and pop-up blockers, then try again. You will now have a copy button to copy the custom bot's token. This token should not be shared with other people or written down. If you ever need the bot token again, then you can return here and reset it to get a new one. Next, go to the MEE6 dashboard and log in with your Discord account. Then select the server that you're adding the custom bot to. Click on the Bot Personaliser link on the left side, which will take you to the Bot Personaliser page. Click on the Enable Bot Personaliser button. In the pop-up that appears, paste in your custom bot token, then click on Enable Bot Personaliser. Another pop-up will appear for you to authorize your custom bot. If this pop-up doesn't appear, disable any VPNs, ad blockers and pop-up blockers, then try again. The last steps are done in your server. Your custom bot has now replaced MEE6. You can keep the original MEE6 or kick it, that's up to you. Personally, I kick MEE6 as it's no longer needed. Now go to Server Settings and Roles. Drag your custom bot's role so that it is above all roles that it needs to manage, then save. And that's it. Your custom bot is now up and running. That's the end of this video tutorial. Do check out the other Managing MEE6 tutorials.